Hello, welcome to this introduction video on bolt-on locks from GateMaster. What is a bolt-on lock? It's a type of lock that simply bolts to the gate frame and doesn't require any welding. You simply need a drill, a gate, and the ability to drill 3 holes, and you can bolt the lock straight on, as easy as that. In this situation, we're going to be looking at the Superlock. This is an ultra slim 70mm wide lock that bolts simply onto a gate frame. You start by taking your gate with a drill and 2 metal drill bits. You drill 2 9mm holes and you drill an 18mm hole. The top and the bottom hole are for our fixing bolts. These are M8 fixing bolts and look like this. The middle hole is for our latch bolt. It is an 18mm hole to accommodate a 16mm latch. To install the lock, once you've drilled your holes, you take the lock itself and you position the lock in the gate, like so. The next step is to take what we call the bolt support plate. The bolt support plate is what the 2 fixing bolts are fed through on the outside of the gate frame. We take our first fixing bolt, place it through the top hole of the bolt support plate and feed it through the box section. We then take a 5mm Allen key and tighten up the top and the bottom fixing bolt. The final step is we take our latch bolt. The latch bolt is threaded on the inside and corresponds with the thread inside of the lock. This will look something similar to this, and when you operate the handles or the key, will move in and out of the body of the lock and through the gate frame. Once we have our desired length, we take the 3mm Allen key that is supplied with every lock. We insert the Allen key inside the latch and we tighten the grub screw. If I now let go of this gate, you will see it will automatically close itself. If we operate the handles, that also activates the latch. If, for example, you would like to secure the premises, the keys provided simply deadlock the lock like so. This inactivates the handles.